Now, for example 3, we're talking about parallels and perpendiculars, which we talked about yesterday. So, first part says write an equation with the line that is parallel to the line y equals, sorry, that got split up. So, y equals 4x minus 8 and passes through the point 0, 2. So, parallel means it's going to have the same slope. So, for this, our slope is going to be the same as we had. 4. Remember, that's our slope, and our y-intercept is, well, I guess it's kind of a negative 8. Now, for the y-intercept, where it crosses the y-axis, that is our y-intercept. So we have the y-intercept at 0, 2, which means the y-intercept is just 2. So now that we know the slope for that parallel line, so we have y equals mx plus b, the slope, the m, we know is 4, the b, so we have 4x, the b value is 2, the y-intercept. And there we have it. Now the second one's got a little more to it because it says write it for the perpendicular line to y equals negative 5x plus 1 and passes through the point 0, 9. So again, perpendicular still needs to have a slope, but in this case we're going to have the slope is, now the textbook likes to call it the negative reciprocal. I think that's a bad name. I'm going to call it the opposite. Sorry, I was thinking negative and I wrote, combine the two words. Opposite reciprocal. That means if you have a positive slope, the opposite reciprocal is going to become negative. So the original slope was negative 5. New slope, well, remember, when you see the number negative 5, you're going to really think it's as negative 5 over 1. Let me zoom in on this a little bit. So the original slope, negative 5 over 1. The new slope, the opposite reciprocal, so it was negative, so now it's going to be positive. Take the reciprocal, meaning flip that fraction over. So our new slope is 1, 5. Now again, we're given the y coordinates on the y-axis, so our y-intercept is negative 9. Plugging these into our equation, the new slope that we got, so the opposite reciprocal of negative 5 is positive 1/5 x. The y-intercept is negative 9, so plus negative 9, or a little cleaner, y equals 1/5, x minus 9.